Today I'm making dirt cups. Today's vintage recipe comes from the 90s, or at least the 90s as I remember them. I feel like these dirt cups were at every birthday party I went to as a kid. To put these together, we're going to be combining some creamy chocolate pudding with some crumbly crushed Oreos, and topping it off with some chewy, jewel-like gummy worms. I'm really loving these quick, easy recipes. Need a quick birthday party treat? You can have this done in like 10 minutes. As always, you can press the CC button to turn on subtitles, or check out the full list of ingredients in the video description. For the pudding, you're going to need 2 cups of milk, 1 package of chocolate jello pudding mix, 8 ounces of Cool Whip or whipped topping, and 15 Oreo cookies. We're starting off by pouring our cold milk into a large bowl, followed by the entirety of the chocolate pudding mix. Again, showing the internet you don't understand how boxes work. Try the other side. Boom! First try. Oh man, another package? Pour it all into the bowl and beat the mix for 2 minutes until smooth. Then let it rest for 5 minutes to get nice and thick. Next, we're going to add in a whole container of whipped, wonderful, what else starts with the W? Cool Whip. Add the Cool Whip to the pudding. Next, crush up the Oreos and add in half a cup of the crushed cookies. Give this all a quick whisk and let's get down to business. You're just going to need the rest of the cookie crumbs. You didn't eat them all, did you? And some gummy worms. Start off by spooning in a few scoops of pudding in the bottom of the cup, then a couple tablespoons of cookie crumbs. Wow, this really does look like dirt. You just want a nice even layer of your dirt, and top it off with a nice pop of color in the form of some gummy worms. About 3 filled my cups nicely. This is honestly one of the easiest desserts you can make. Cool, creamy, crunchy, chewy. You've got every texture you could want in a dessert, all in one cup. My niece and nephews really enjoyed these. These dirt cups really delivered a heavy dose of nostalgia. And with how easy and tasty they are, I'm surprised I don't see these more often. If you're looking for an easy dessert, we highly recommend you give this one a try. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new, please consider subscribing. Regulars appreciate you as always, and I hope to see you all next Thursday.